Hi, I'm Sam Smyth at Sam Smyth Imported Car Service here in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're a Rolls-Royce and Bentley specialist. We're only authorized service independent facility in the world, at least was several years running, for all the Bentley motor cars, new, all the way up to new and present date. Have all the factory tools and equipment and everything. Anyway, get back to it. We take care of all the heritage cars too, so anything that's older, vintage, R-types, clouds, whatever, Bentley S2s, you know. Anyway, we have here a Silver Ghost. This is a late model, and what we're going to do here is I just want to show you real quick. We service these Rolls Royces, all different years, makes, and models. So on these hubcaps, a lot of people don't know how these come off, so we want to give you a quick show. That stays balanced, you know, with the RR. Anyway, some of these you press in on the piece, and it'll pop the cap loose like that, away from it. And then the other ones, you get a suction cup the same size as this RR, a little bit smaller, and you pull evenly on it, pull back evenly from the wheel back, and it'll pop right off. And then you'll have 17 millimeter wheel lugs in the center here in order to go ahead and pull it. This Ghost is a 2012. We found some 17 rims. The gentleman put some really high-end rims on his 17 and had no use for these, so we're unpackaging a set now that are ever so slightly worn, factory set of wheels. So we're going to go ahead and put those on there. If you see it, the 285 35R 21, and the wheel we took off of there, or that's coming off of here, is, read that to me, Jake.
I'll bring this over.
No, read that to me. What that size right there is? That
it's a
235.
255.
255.
Yes.
45.
Oh, R20.
R20.
101 line.
Okay. So we're changing out those. And here, just lay it down flat right next to this one.
Okay.
So people can see the actual difference of what's going on here. All right, and you can see this is a 12 wheel right here on this Rolls-Royce Ghost that we have here at Sam Smyth Imported Car Service in Cincinnati, Ohio. And then you can see the size difference here. Woohoo! Nice big size off the 17. So now I don't know, we'll check, make sure we don't have two different sizes, but all the sizes are exactly the same. And this one we're going to go back with Continentals, and I don't know what we got here on the original one. Oh, a Goodyear coming off on the right front that was on this car. You can really see these brake calipers are huge, and then the brake rotors are just massive on these cars. Really a great car, wonderful driving automobile. As you can see, the appointments of the upholstery are just awesome. Electronically closed doors, never slam them, will automatically close for you. You've got front and rear screens and controls and everything. So anyway, like I said, we're a independent authorized Bentley workshop, which means we're an authorized service facility for Bentley motor cars, and all the older Rolls Royces, from the Phantom back, the first early Phantom back, the Phantom forward, and the Ghosts, and all the new Rollses are not a part of the heritage motors with Bentley. Bentley's taking care of all those, like the Seraph and cars like that, you know, Silver Seraph and all those Rolls Royces. So that has us in the loop for all the tools, equipment, and parts. Our actual distributor is Jack Barkley, which is the largest Bentley dealership in the world. They usually have about 200 cars a month, and they're actually in London. Terry, the parts manager there, great guy, sell you all the right parts once, nice guy. Actually, he's pretty busy. He doesn't do it. He has a lot of his men do it. They're just unbelievable. So if you're in Cincinnati, Ohio, you have a Rolls Royce, come see us, make an appointment. If you have a vintage car, classic car, sports car, other cars, McLarens, you know, Bristols, Ferraris, anything rare and unusual. That's kind of what we're known for, the rare and the unusual. But our main specialty has always been Rolls-Royce and Bentley. We were established out of Ireland in 1934. I'm first born in the United States. We started in the United States in the year 1950. So give us a call. We'd love to have you as a customer. We're always looking for new customers, and we'd love to have some more new customers and these newer cars too, as well as we love our vintage cars. Mr. Smyth, which is myself, Sam, you can just call me. I drive a 62 Rolls-Royce. And I just sold my Bentley Brooklyn, so someone just had to have it, so I was like, okay. So I kind of missed that car, but after I get to 62 where I need to be, I'll end up looking for another Bentley. So we actually drive and have several cars. We actually donated a car too for the kids at the Rolls-Royce Foundation. So we try and do as much and stay as active as we can. We're actually leaving here this week, and we're getting ready, and we're going to go up to the Rolls-Royce meet, which will be in Friendship, Indiana. I haven't been to one in a couple years, so it's about time I get to it one. I'll miss the RREC, which is the Rolls-Royce Enthusiasts Club.org in the UK, because the meets they run too close, and that's another reason why Terry and Jack Barkley won't be here. But Terry Lee of the Bentley will be at the French Lick of the factory, and he's a really cool guy too. So anyway, if you have any questions about Rolls-Royces, Bentleys, any of the exotics, any of the one-of-a-kind cars, we may not have every answer right at the right moment, but we know all the right people, and we can find it for you, and we're not afraid to say we don't know and we find out. Some of these one-of-a-kind cars, they'll beat you up a little bit. Key thing is you just do it right, that's all. So anyway, once again, I'm Sam Smyth, the Sam Smyth Imported Cars Service Incorporated. You can find us. We also have Facebook pages, Sam Smyth Imported Car Service, Sam Smyth CEO. Look at us on YouTube too. We're doing a little. For a while we won't be doing any because we don't have somebody to upload those for us, and we're not real keen on that. So but we've got enough up there now you can kind of get an idea, and that's pretty much it. Our telephone number is 513-793-0434, or you can look us up, Sam Smyth in Cincinnati, Ohio. Mr. Smyth sells on his website, so you can contact him 24/7 if you need help on anything or question answered. He'll be happy to help you. And the website is www.smyth, S-M-Y-T-H, imports, I-M-P-O-R-T-S.com. And that's smythimports.com. That's Smyth with a Y, as in why pay too much. So please come see us. Thanks. Wish you all the best. Cheers, and hope see a lot of you at the Rolls-Royce meet at what is it? French Lick, Indiana. The Larry Bird, famous basketball player town. Cool. Anyway, all the best. Cheers.